Hello folks, hi and welcome back to the continuation of the fourth session with Vedic Maths. As we saw in the last chapter, we were doing the cubes of 2 and 3 digit numbers. We haven't gone through the 3 digit numbers here, but we were at the 2 digit numbers itself, in which we saw for the 2 digit numbers there were 3 parts in which we were representing. Now firstly, for the numbers, those were starting with 1. Then for the numbers, those were ending with 1, and then we were left to see the part where the numbers neither start with 1 nor end with 1. So we'll be seeing that in this continuation of the fourth session. Well, so far we have covered 8 chapters from 1 through 8. For those who haven't already seen, kindly go back and check the previous sessions of Vedic Maths in order to be through with all these subjects. So let's just proceed with the continuation of the 9th chapter, that is cubes of 2 digit numbers. For the numbers, those neither start with 1 nor end with 1. So herein, just like I explained for all the previous problems and fundamentals, I'll be explaining this through examples, and I'll be writing in the steps for you guys side by side. I'll write the step for one particular problem, and then you can just replicate the same to all other problems and you can solve easily. So let's just quickly take an example. So let me take the example of 24. We need to calculate 24 cube. As you can see, 24 is a number which neither starts with 1 nor ends with 1. So that makes suitable for the third case. This is the third case, by the way, because previously we have seen for numbers starting with 1 and for numbers ending with 1. So what needs to be done here is, just like the other two concepts, that's for numbers starting and ending with 1, what we used to do, we used to divide it into 4 parts. So let's say the number with us is 24. So 2 is already one part and 4 is already one part. And we need to obtain 4 parts. So what we used to do, I'll just quickly recap a bit for you guys. Let's say we were taking 13 ka cube. So what we were doing, we were considering 1 is one part, 3 is one part, then we used to do 3 square 9, we took it as one part, and we used to do 3 ka cube, that is 27, we took it as another part. So we obtained 4 parts while we were solving cubes for 2 digit numbers. So just keep it as it is. So what we need to do here is, I'll just write in the steps as well so that you guys don't lay back. Sorry, I can't draw a straight line. So the first step would be to obtain the 4 parts in terms of a cube, a square b, ab square, b cube. Don't panic guys, I'll explain each and everything. Let me just write down the steps first. Okay, now that we have written the first step, let's just proceed with the first step. So just divide it in 4 blank spaces because we need 4 parts, of course. So in 24, let's just denote A as 2 and B as 4. Since 24 is a 2 digit number, so A and B took the place of 2 and 4 respectively. So the first blank space that needs to be filled is with the A cube. Now if you see A cube, what exactly is going to come? It's 8. Again, remember, there is no need to put any suffix or any prefix here. 8 will be represented as 8. 8 should not be 08 like we used to do earlier. But as I had explained in this particular cubes wala concept earlier, so you have to just put the number and nothing else. You consider the number simply as one part and not 0 as well as a prefix. So the next blank space that needs to be filled is with the a square b. Now if you look at a square b, what will be a square b? That is 2 ka square multiplied by 4, that is 16. So 16 will come in here. Similarly, the next space that needs to be filled with AB square. AB square का मतलब क्या हुआ? 2 into 4 square. That will give you 32. So 32 is being filled here. The last step is B cube. That is 4 का cube. 4 का cube is 64. Right. So now that we have obtained the 4 paths, as in the 4 blank spaces, so we'll go to the next step now. Now for the next step, it's pretty simple. You just need to do the same things which you have been doing for numbers ending and starting with 1. If you guys remember, the second step was to obtain and double the middle paths. Okay, in this case, I've already explained this concept, so I won't be going deeper into it. So in this case, the middle paths is 16 and 32. We have to just multiply them by 2 since we have to double them. So if 16 gets doubled, it becomes 32 and 32 becomes 64 if doubled. Okay, now the path is pretty simple. You already know what to do. So I'll just write in that follow the same steps as for obtaining the cubes of numbers starting or ending with 1. So what we used to do, we used to obtain the rightmost digit, extreme rightmost digit. We used to bring it down as it is, है ना? So in this case, the rightmost part is 64 and in that the rightmost digit is 4. So इसको हम as it is नीचे ले आते हैं. So 4. So what remains is 6. So 6 will go as a carryover for the next step, of course. What is the next step? Next step is 32 plus 64. Plus 6 आपका carryover है, of course. So 32 plus 64 will give you 96. 96 plus 6 will give you 106. लेकिन remember, this is a one step blank process. तो 106 में से सिर्फ 6 ही आ पाएगा इधर. रिमेनिंग जो 106 का 10 है वो चला जाएगा एज अ कैरी ओवर. अगेन व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप? नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज 16 प्लस दिस 16 प्लस 32. So 16 plus 32 plus 10 is a carryover, right? I'll just separate this. 10 was the carryover. Now 16 plus 32 will give you 48. 48 plus 10 का carryover will give you 58. 58 में से there is a single step blank process. So only 8 will come and this 5 will again go as a carryover. Now what is the last step? The last step is 8. Now remember, 8 is the extreme leftmost digit, so it will just come down as it is. 8 and the 5 was carryover, so it gives you 13. Now if you guys remember, I already told you the leftmost part can be a two-step blank process. It need not be a one-step blank just like these three. It can be a two-step blank process. So even if 13 is a two-digit number, we can bring it down as it is. We don't need to put in just the units place, that is 3, or send 1 as a carryover, because there is no next step, right? This is the final step. So finally we obtain the results of 24 cube as 13864. Pardon me for my handwriting, guys. 13864. So 24 cube is 13,864. So we can solve it simply by these steps. You just need to remember 3 steps. Now out of these 3 steps, even the first part is only important, because the second and third step you will be anyways repeating from the numbers starting with 1 as well as ending with 1. So all you have to remember is the first step, that is obtaining the 4 paths in terms of a cube, a square b, ab square and b cube. Anyways, we'll be seeing a next example in which you will become clearer. So the next example that I'll be taking in is, let's say we take somewhat similar number, we take 23 का cube. So इसमें क्या करने का, I will not write in the steps, guys, because पहले ही लिख दिया है मैंने last question में. So I'll just sail through this problem, and you can always go back and check the steps if you guys need it, or if you feel you guys are laying back. So पहले मैं 4 blank box बना लेता हूँ, because हमको 4 parts में obtain करना है. So the first blank box that we will be filling in is for the a cube. हियर 23 में 2 को a लेते हैं, 3 को b लेते हैं, तो a क्यूब मीन्स 2 का क्यूब, 2 का क्यूब इज़ 8 ऑफ कोर्स, 08 नहीं आएगा, आई एम रिपीटिंग इट. So the next step will be a square b. A square b is 2 square into 3. So 4 into 3 is 12. Next step is ab square. Ab square is 2 into 3 ka square, that is 18. And the last step will be b cube. B cube is 3 का cube, that is 27. So अभी क्या करने का था कि मिडल मोस्ट पार्ट्स को आइडेंटिफाई करके उसको डबल करने का था. तो 12 को डबल करेंगे तो 24, 18 को डबल करेंगे तो 36. वंस वी आर डन विद दिस, व्हाट विल डू, विल जस्ट आइडेंटिफाई द एक्सट्रीम राइट मोस्ट डिजिट, नॉट पार्ट बट द डिजिट. सी द डिफरेंस. सो इसको एज इट इज़ नीचे ले आना. सो राइट मोस्ट डिजिट वॉज 7, सो वी ब्रिंग डाउन 7 एंड वी थ्रू दिस 2 एज अ कैरी ओवर टू दिस. सो अभी यहाँ पे क्या करना है, 18 प्लस 36 plus 2 was the carryover, so it will give you 56. और 56 में से single step blank process है, so only 6 will be able to come here and 5 will go as a carryover again. So यहाँ पे next step क्या है, 12 plus 24 plus 5 was the carryover. So 12 plus 24 will give you 36, 36 and 5 carryover will give you 41, out of which only 1 can come and 4 will go for the carryover as next step. Next step is the extreme leftmost digit 8, which will come down as it is, but 4 rows remained as a carryover, so it will just get added up. 8 and 4 will give you 12. Now it's the extreme leftmost part, so it can be a 2-step blank process, it need not be a single step blank. So we'll just bring in 12 as it is. So the result obtained will be 23 cube is equal to 12167. So you see, that's how you can easily solve for the problems that, for the numbers that neither start with 1 nor end with 1. So you can just sail through the concepts. I think so we are done with the cubes of 2 digits wala part, both for all the 3 cases, for numbers starting and ending with 1 as well as for numbers that neither start with 1 nor end with 1. I think I'll just proceed into the next concept, that is cubes of the 3-digit numbers. Now cubes of 3-digit numbers is also somewhat similar, but I would suggest you guys to just pay a bit of attention since it can be a bit dicey. So I'll just follow the same pedagogy. I'll explain it with the help of certain examples. I'll write in the steps and then I'll solve a few problems in which I won't be writing the steps, but I'll be explaining each and every part verbally. So let's just first take a simple number. Let's say it's 102 ka cube. Okay, now the first step which follows in here is, wow, this line became pretty straight. The first step would be to divide the number given in 2 parts. Now first part will be the 100th digit, and the second part will be the remaining digits. So how about this? Now 102, we will be dividing it into 2 parts. The first part will be the 100th digit. This is the ones place, this is the tens place, this is the 100th place. So the 100th place is 1, this is one part, and the remaining is 0, 2. This is another part. So we divided it in 2 parts. This is the first part and this is the second part. This is our first step. Now if you proceed to the second step, now second step is pretty easy. You just need to do what you were doing. Second step is obtain the 4 parts. If you remember, you always used to find out 4 parts, be it for the numbers starting with 1 or ending with 1, or even for the numbers that neither started with 1 nor ended with 1, for 2-digit numbers के केस में, जैसा मैंने बताया था. So herein what you have to do for the second step is obtain the 4 parts in terms of, now your first part will be a cube, second part will be AB into 3, third part will be the number obtained in second part multiplied by the second part division. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा तुमको confusing लग सकता है, but I'll explain it in the best possible way, do not worry. And the fourth and final part will be B cube. There's one catch although. ये वाला जो part है ना B cube में, यहाँ पे you have to use a prefix. Let's say for example you obtain a single digit number, so in that case you have to write it as 08. I mean let's say यहाँ पे जैसे 2 है तो 2 का cube is 8, but you have to write it as 08, so you have to add a prefix. I think I should write down another step, that obtain okay, for the time being I'll just leave it. We'll just start solving and then I'll tell you step by step again. So यहाँ पे हमारे पास पहला part क्या है 1 and the second part is 02. So let's just say 1 is equal to A and 02 is equal to B. So do you guys see why I am doing this? I'm doing this because I have to represent it in the form of a 2-digit number in any way. Okay. So 2-digit number में हम लोग क्या करते थे? Last problem जैसे हमने देखा 23. तो 23 में we said कि 2 is one part, 3 is one part. Let's say note 2 as A and 3 as B. So यहाँ पे भी somewhat similar. यहाँ पे since it's a 3-digit number, so I have to divide it in 2 parts anyway. So एक part हो गया 1, that is your hundreds place, and the remaining, that is 02, becomes another part that I denoted as B and the first part I denoted as A. So let's just proceed. यहाँ पे भी वही 4 parts obtain करना है तुमको. तो if you see the first part that I talked about is A cube. A cube का मतलब होता है 1 cube, that is 1. Again no prefix, 01 नहीं होगा, 1 ही होगा. वैसे 01 लिखोगे भी तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगा नहीं, बिकॉज इट इज़ द लास्ट पार्ट एनी वे, तो इसको एज इट इज़ नीचे लाना ही है. नाउ सेकेंड इज ए बी इंटू 3. ए बी इंटू 3 इज़ 1 इंटू 02 इंटू 3, दैट इज़ 06. ओके, एज आई वाज सेइंग यहाँ पे एक स्टेप हम लोग ये लिख सकते हैं. वैसे हाँ, एक स्टेप हम लोग यहाँ पे एक लिख सकते हैं कि only the leftmost part will be single step blank remaining, मैं यहाँ पे कंटिन्यू कर रहा हूँ, the remaining parts will be 2-step blank process. I know थोड़ा सा lengthy है, that was the reason I told you to pay attention, since it can be a bit dicey and confusing. So make sure you learn it properly, okay? If you learn it properly, it's pretty easy and it will save a lot of time while calculating. Okay, we'll do this third part. थर्ड पार्ट क्या है हमारा? नंबर obtained in second part multiplied by second part division. Okay, number obtained in second part तो simply it's 06 multiplied by the second part division. Okay, what do you mean by second part division? ये जो हमने किया था ना, this is known as division. तो division में first part was 1 and the second part was 2. So this is the second part division I'm talking about. I'll write it. This is the second part division. We'll solve more problems up ahead in which you will get clarified better. So again, number obtained in second part is 06 multiplied by the second part division. Second part division is 02. So the result obtained is 12. 12 is already a 2-digit number, so no need to add any prefix or something. The last part is just simply B cube, that is 02 का cube, that is 08. Again remember, only the leftmost part can be a single step blank process, but all these three parts will have to be two-step blank process. Okay, right. So once we are done with it, बाकी का तो it's pretty simple. यहाँ पे तुमको वैसा कुछ करना भी नहीं है, as in no need to multiply or just bring down the middlemost parts and multiply them by 2 or double them or something. I mean, the best thing about this 3-digit cubes निकालने वाला thing is you have already obtained your answer. See, so the answer is 1061208 for 102 cube. Okay, there's no further operations like in calculation of cubes of 2-digit numbers. You were doing na ki once obtain the 4 parts, then you need to identify the middlemost parts and just double them, and then do the further operations like the rightmost digit ko as it is नीचे ले आना, फिर through the remaining as carry over and stuff, फिर leftmost digit को नीचे ले आना as it is, or add up any carry over if any. So यहाँ पे वैसा कुछ भी नहीं करना है. All you need to do is follow these 3 steps, 1, 2 and 3, and you are pretty much done. We'll see it in the next example, of course. Okay, the next example that I'll be taking in is for let's say we take 104 का cube. यहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा जल्दी बताऊंगा since I have already explained all the concepts in the previous problem. So make sure you guys solve alongside me, or you can also pause the video and try it for yourself. So सबसे पहला step क्या था कि 2 parts में divide करना. Hundredths place, that is 1 is one part, and 04, that is the remaining digits, ones place and tens place, that is another part. So 1 is one part, 04 is another part. So यहाँ से we'll obtain 4 parts, right? So 4 parts का rule क्या था? सबसे पहला part would be a cube. a cube मतलब 1 का cube, that is 1. Second part क्या था? Second part था ab into 3, that is 1 into 04 into 3, 12 already. So 2-step blank fill up हो गया. I mean, there is no need to add any 0 or something because it's already a 2-digit number. Third step क्या था? Number obtained in second part multiplied by the second part division. So number obtained in the second part is 12, ये वाला 12 multiplied by second part division. Remember I told you what is division? ये है आपका division. So division में what is the second part? 04. So ये बन गया 48. Now third part is as simple as it is, that is b cube, that is 04 का cube, हुआ था 64. You are done with it. As I said, no further operations. So the number obtained is 1124,864. That is your 104 का cube है ना. काफ़ी, it's very easy actually. You just need to practice it properly. We'll see one final example. Let's take a bigger number, 115 का cube. 115 का cube में again divided in 4 parts. Okay, उससे पहले you need to do the division. Hundreds place is one part and the remaining digit, that is 15, is another part. Let's say this is a, let's say this is b. So पहला step you need to calculate is a cube, that is 1. Second step is ab into 3, that is 1 into 15 into 3, that brings down 45. Third step is number obtained in the second part, that is 45, multiplied by the number, the second division number, right? Second part division. Second part division is 15. अब यहाँ पे there is one exception. I'll write it as an exception. Now remember, ये जो digit है ना हमारा, this is a 2-step blank process. लेकिन 45 into 15 कितना होता है? 45 into 15 will give you 675. अब इसको you can't add 675 पूरा, because this is a 2-step blank process. And remember, जब 2-step या single step blank process होता है, हम लोग क्या लेते हैं? Right से शुरू करते हैं, right? We start from the units place. So in this case, since it's a 2-step blank process, only the units place and the tens place will come into play. That is 75. और ये जो 6 है ना, इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली गो एज अ कैरी ओवर फॉर द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. ठीक है. ओके, लास्ट पार्ट पे आते हैं. लास्ट पार्ट इज सिंपली बी क्यूब, दैट इज़ 15 का क्यूब. और 15 का क्यूब, सिंस आई ऑलरेडी रिमेंबर, इज 3375. आई एम राइटिंग डायरेक्टली. इफ यू गाइज डू नॉट रिमेंबर देन यू कैन जस्ट डू अ रफ वर्क क्विकली हियर. 15 का क्यूब, रिमेंबर 15 इज अ नंबर विच इज़ स्टार्टिंग विथ 1. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करते थे, वी क्विकली डिड 5 का स्क्वायर 25, वी डिड 5 का क्यूब 125. So we'll just bring in and double the middle most digits, that is 5 का 10 हो जाएगा, 25 का 50 हो जाएगा. बस अब राइट मोस्ट डिजिट को एज इट इज़ नीचे लाना है, दैट इज़ 5. ये पूरा 12 गोज एज अ कैरी ओवर फॉर हियर. यहाँ पे 50 प्लस 25 75, 75 प्लस 12 एज अ कैरी ओवर, दैट इज़ 87. अब 87 से सिर्फ 7 नीचे आ सकता है, 8 अगेन गोज एज अ कैरी ओवर. यहाँ पे 10 प्लस 5, 10 प्लस 5 इज़ 15, 15 प्लस 8 इज़ 23. But 23 में से again 3 comes because it's a single step blank process, and 2 goes as a carry over here. बचा है 1 तो left extreme leftmost digit है, it will come down as it is, but 1 के साथ there was a 2 का carry over, so it will give you 3. So 3 as it is. So you see within seconds you can solve 15 का cube, so it's 3375 ये वाला. But again ये वाला जो blank है ये 2 step blank है, तो I can't write 75 पूरा, sorry 3375 पूरा, so I'll just write in 75 because it's a 2-step blank process, so we will include the units place and the tens place only. So अभी जो carry over था वो करते हैं. I'll just write it over here again. 1 2 3 4. okay. तो फाइनल जो हमारा लास्ट से शुरू करते हैं. 75 यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी आ चुका है, लेकिन यहाँ से एक 33 कैरी ओवर गया है इधर. यहाँ पे व्हाट वाज योर डिजिट, इट वाज 75 ऑलरेडी, राइट. अब 75 में यू हैव टू ऐड 33 एज द कैरी ओवर. यहाँ पे 75 ऑलरेडी वी हैड ऑब्टेन्ड, 75 में यू हैव टू ऐड 33 एज द कैरी ओवर. यू विल बी ऑब्टेनिंग 108. अब 108 पूरा यहाँ पे नहीं आ सकता सिंस अ 2-step blank प्रोसेस, तो यहाँ पे व्हाट विल कम, ओनली 08, द वंस प्लेस एंड द टेंस प्लेस. अगेन ये वाला जो 1 था इट विल गो एज अ कैरी ओवर फॉर द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. ओके, अब देखते हैं नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या था. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में यू हैड ऑब्टेन्ड 45 यहाँ पे, लेकिन रिमेंबर ये जो 75 है ना, इट इज़ नॉट एक्चुअली 75, इट वॉज 675. 675 में से वी पुट इन 75 सिंस अ 2-step blank process एंड वी थ्रू 6 एज अ कैरी ओवर हियर. तो यहाँ पे जो है ना, ये 45 और ये 6 मिलके क्या बनेगा, 51. 45 प्लस 6 का कैरी ओवर, इट बिकेम 51. और यहाँ पे भी एक 1 का कैरी ओवर है, रिमेंबर 108 से वी रिप्रेजेंटेड 08 और 1 एज अ कैरी ओवर वी सेंड इट थ्रू, तो ये और ऐड हो जाएगा, ये बन जाएगा 52. सो यू ऑब्टेन 52. अब बचा क्या, ओनली 1 में कुछ कैरी ओवर वगैरह है नहीं, तो 1 कैन बी रिप्रेजेंटेड एज इट इज़. रिमेंबर गाइज, ओनली लेफ्ट मोस्ट पार्ट जो है वो सिंगल स्टेप ब्लैंक हो सकता है, वैसे डबल स्टेप ब्लैंक भी हो सकता है. आई मीन यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट इट एज 0-1, कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा, बट स्टिल रिमेंबर. सो वैसे एक्चुअली डबल स्टेप ब्लैंक भी हो सकता है. लेट्स से 4 होता 415 का क्यूब, तो इन दैट केस 4 का क्यूब वुड हैव बीन 64, तो यू कुड हैव पुट इन 64 हियर. तो आई थिंक अर्लियर पार्ट में थोड़ा सा मैंने अलग कुछ बता दिया है, सो इफ़ दैट काइंडली इग्नोर दैट. तो इट कैन बी अ 2-step blank एज वेल. ओके, राइट. सो योर फाइनल रिजल्ट्स आर विथ यू. इट्स 1520875. दैट इज़ योर 115 का क्यूब. सो आई थिंक 115 का क्यूब वी obtained 1520875. So that's all as far as the cubing of 3-digit numbers is considered. I think बाकी का मैंने already explain कर दिया, you just need to practice it through. Now the only part that is left to teach is multiplication of numbers close to 1000, and we will be winding up with the Vedic maths part. So this is pretty easy. So you just need to repeat what you did in multiplication of numbers close to 100. So I'll just give you one simple example and then we will be through with this chapter as well. So let's take this example of 996 multiplied by 997, let's say. You can also do squaring of numbers close to 1000, by the way. You can just write it as 996 into 996 and then you can solve it as I will be solving this. So same old story repeat, just write it like this, 996 997. यहाँ का steps है ना, मैं already explain कर चुका हूँ while I was explaining multiplication of numbers close to 100, so I won't be writing in the steps again. Plus the moment I start solving, you guys will realize that you do not need to write the steps separately for all this. Okay, so the first step will be to see the difference from 1000. Remember वहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करते थे? Okay, I'll solve it side by side. Let's say हमारा number होता 96 into 97. So what we would have done, we would have seen the difference from 100, right? ऐसा करते हैं हम लोग, यहाँ पे भी वही करना है. You just need to see the difference from 1000, keeping the signs in mind, of course. Remember मैं हमेशा बोलता था हम लोग को कि keep the signs in mind. I mean positive और negative को ध्यान देना है. Had it been a number greater than 1000, let's say 1007 होता, तो in that case the difference would have been +7 because वो 1000 से बड़ा है. Since 996 is a number which is less than 1000, so the difference becomes -4 and just not 4. So 997 के case में it would be -3. So what was the next step? Next step was to multiply these two differences, right? That is -4 into -3. So -4 and -3 will give you 12. Now in numbers close to 100, multiplication of numbers close to 100, we used to represent it as a two-step blank process. क्यों? क्योंकि if you remember, I taught 100 में what are the number of zeros? 2. So in that case you need to represent it as you need to represent the numbers as a two-step blank process, in terms of a two-step blank process. लेकिन यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? It's multiplication of numbers close to 1000, and how many zeros does 1000 have? 3 zeros. So every number that you will represent will be in the form of a 3-step blank process. तो यहाँ पे भी 3-step blank होने का है. तो we already have a 2-digit number, that is 1 2, but we need to represent it in the form of a 3-step blank process. So what do we do? Of course we add a 0 as a prefix, so that it will be converting into a 3-step blank process even if it's a 2-digit number. So अभी जो next step बचा है, that's pretty simple. It's just the same as we did for numbers close to 100. You just need to sum it in a cross functional manner. So in this case it will be 996 minus 3 or 997 minus 4. In either of the cases you will obtain 993. 997 minus 4 भी 993 होता है, 996 minus 3 भी 993 होता है. In either of the cases you will obtain the same results. So the final number obtained is 993,012. That is your 996 product of 996 and 997. अब लिखाइए तो ये भी करके देख लेते हैं. 996 का स्क्वायर, because the same concepts can be applied for squaring of numbers close to 1000 as well. So 996 का स्क्वायर में firstly quickly करते हैं इसको. We'll just write in the differences, that is -4 and -4, and we will multiply the differences. So -4 and -4 will give you 16, लेकिन it's a 3-step blank process, तो you have to write 016. अब ऑलरेडी अगर एक 3-digit नंबर obtain हो जाता तो कुछ बात ही नहीं था. Let's say for example तुमको मिलता 11 into 11, तो 121. 121 is already a 3-digit number, so you need not worry. So यहाँ पे 016 मिल गया हमें. बस the next step is to do the sum cross functionally. In this case both the numbers are same, that is 996 minus 4. The result that you will be obtaining is 992. So finally 996 square can be obtained as 992,016. So finally we'll end it here. So all you can see is all the chapters that we did that are pretty easy and can be solved with ease with the Vedic maths techniques. So you just need to practice, guys. So I think that will be all for today. आज के लिए यहीं पे ख़त्म करते हैं and we are done with the Vedic maths part. So if you like my channel, please subscribe to it and please like my content and share it. If you feel If you have any doubts, you can post it in the feedback section, or you can also post it in the comment section. I'll try to take them up in a separate video, or I'll solve them in the comment section itself. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, guys. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.